I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground.
So, the clip that you saw ahead of this scene was from yesterday. I ended up doing Tatiana hair. It didn't go well with Kylie doing it. She just could not get it right. Y'all know how it is when you really need to do something. So I took over and took everything down and redid our hair. I came out of braiding retirement yesterday, but I didn't film nothing else. I was tired. Right now it is 4:38. We were supposed to be on the road at 4 o'clock. And we just leaving the house, finna gas up. Yeah. But either way, we about to get on the road. We got a 2 and a 2 hour and 40 some minute drive. So we gotta get there because we gotta be there by 7:45. Okay, so different routes say different things, so I don't know exactly which route, but it's graduation day for Miss Tatiana. She's in her dress. Y'all will see all that once we get there and everything with her outfit. Okay, yeah, it's dark outside because it's early morning. Like I say, it's 4:39 in the morning, and we're about to get on the road, headed to Raleigh, North Carolina. Is where the graduation is. So I'm gonna film everything, and I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so proud of my baby. I'm so proud of her. And at the same time, I'm ready for this to be over with, because oh my goodness, it's been stressful, just, getting everything together. That's it. But it's a good stressful, but I'm tired. I'm tired, y'all. I'm working off from, it took me 9 hours to do our hair, and I'm running off in an hour and a half of sleep. So that's what I mean by I'm tired. But I do it over and over and over again, okay? I would. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get this journey started. I got to get off and do a prayer real quick, and we're going to get on the road.
You got it. You got it.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around. Cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying.
You got it.
I believe in you.
You got it.
I know you got this.
You got it.
Just keep on trying.
You got it.
There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah, always carrying that oh so heavy load. When you feel like there's too much on your plate, just call on me.
Call on me.
And
there she goes. That's the graduating girl. You ready?
No.
Why? Cause what?
It's way too early.
It's
Way too early.
Just dropped Tatiana off at rehearsal, so they'll open the doors at 9:45 for us to go in. Y'all, I already been crying. It didn't hit me until after I dropped her off, got back in the car, and we headed over here to Walmart to pick up something. So it really hit me. It's just like, wow, from the time she was born, I started thinking about my struggles with her as a single mother before, you know, coming up here and all that type of stuff. And it was just that we made it. We done been through so much. Y'all get what I'm saying? And now she's graduating. She made it. And it's just like, whew. Yeah, I just thought about from, you know, having, you know, raising her and stuff, and we made it. And now she's graduating. It's like no more little girl no more baby no more. She'll always be my baby, but y'all get what I'm saying. It's just like I was almost saying to myself, like, I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I can do this, but it's happening. She's, you know, graduating, so oh my goodness, y'all, it's it's a lot right now. It's a lot of emotions right now. So this is the line all the way back here. We are all the way to the back. This is where the beginning of the line is, way up there. So we just waiting to get up there and get in.
Tatiana Ladesha, Bryce Reese, Jonathan Darius Robertson.
Determination and preparation for whatever your future has to offer. That said, it is my honor to ask the North Carolina Virtual Academy class 2022.
Y'all see Tatiana? She was just waving. She right here. There she go, y'all. There she go. Get it, girl. Get it. Huh?
I think you're fine.
Keep that saying this way.
It's hers. Is it your bag? This is yours. Okay.
Take our pictures so we
Y'all not throwing up the hats?
Huh?
Y'all not throwing up the hats?
I think so.
Okay. And here you go. Let me get the bag just to get your flowers. You like them?
Yeah.
Oh,